Hey there, lovely viewers. Welcome back. Today, we're diving into a topic that's been a hot debate in the health world: white rice versus brown rice. And I've done some research to bring you the scoop on which of these two grains deserves a spot on your plate. Let's get started. All right, folks, let's break it down. White rice is milled to remove the bran and germ layers, while brown rice retains these nutrient-rich layers. This means that brown rice is a whole grain and comes with a higher fiber content, essential vitamins like B vitamins, and minerals like magnesium and zinc. On the other hand, white rice might lack some of these nutrients due to the milling process. So if you're looking for a nutritional powerhouse, brown rice might take the lead here. Now, let's talk digestion and blood sugar. Brown rice's higher fiber content slows down digestion, leading to a more gradual release of glucose into the bloodstream. This can help stabilize blood sugar levels and provide sustained energy. White rice, due to its lower fiber content, can cause a quicker spike in blood sugar levels. However, if you're an athlete or need a quick source of energy, white rice might have its advantages. Flavor time. Brown rice has a nuttier taste and slightly chewier texture due to its intact bran layer. Some people enjoy its heartier feel. On the other hand, white rice is softer and more neutral in taste, making it a versatile option to pair with various dishes. When it comes to cooking, white rice usually requires less time and effort, which might be a game changer on busy days. Brown rice takes a bit longer to cook due to its higher fiber content, so white rice scores a point in convenience. So, which rice is the winner? Well, it ultimately depends on your nutritional needs and personal preferences. If you're aiming for more nutrients and fiber, brown rice is your go-to. But if you're seeking quick energy or prefer a milder taste, white rice could be your choice. Remember, both types of rice can fit into a balanced diet, so don't stress too much about making the perfect choice. That's a wrap on today's episode, folks. I hope I've helped you make a more informed decision about the rice that suits your lifestyle. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Eat Clean Crew for more informative content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Stay healthy and happy eating.